This project really started about 3 or 4 years ago, conversation with Mayor Lynch and Superintendent Marshall about the investment needed here at the plant. I don't think we can state enough how important this facility is to Portage.
The wastewater improvements project is a positive step for the city of Portage. When complete, it will provide critical rehabilitation to the wastewater treatment plant screening and other processes to ensure that we continue to discharge quality effluent to the Burns Waterway and Lake Michigan.
It's very important because it's cleaner water. We increase our capacity, which allows the tools for greater economic development and to bring in more businesses. We also have the Dunes National Lakeshore and Burns Harbor. This investment will make sure we have clean water and protect that asset. The other component that I'm very proud of is the Inflation Reductionary Act that we passed, where you have a solar component here that will be part of this project, which will reduce the energy costs by 30%.
If we can save 30% on our NIPSCO bill here at the facility, that's more money we can put into staffing, that's more money we can put into improvements in the future. And that needs to be a model for communities across the country.
All I can say is just amazing teamwork to everybody. Thank you for the work that you do. Some of that speaks definitely to our congressional office and the amazing assistance they give us with that. It also speaks to the team we've got here, from Tracy to my predecessor and Sue. You did an amazing job getting this together. So we'd like to thank our project partners, the Indiana Finance Authority State Revolving Fund, Commonwealth Engineers, Baker Tilly Municipal Advisors, Ice Miller, and Rame, Elwood, and McClure, PC, for their assistance with the project.
I think the mayor touched base on what's important, the collaborative effort. So as a member of Congress, what my job is to be able to pass legislation that is beneficial to the cities and towns and to Northwest Indiana. And so the State Revolving Fund is actually a byproduct of the infrastructure bill that passed. So this specific project is part of that SRF funding. And so I'm very proud of that.
It came together in such a beautiful way that we, Portage, this not exactly small, but smaller of the Great Lakes coastal cities, are making tremendous use of the resources that we have available to us.
Thank you, Mayor. Thank you, former Mayor. Have a wonderful day, and it's a great day for Portage. Thank you.